PEARadise. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The Learning PEARadise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. A is for art. And it's time for art. And do you know who likes to go on Instagram or Facebook like you do? These people! Our dolls, and they can also be any other toy, want to go on Facebook and Instagram. So we're gonna make our very own photo frame. This is an example of our photo frame, what it will look like, but we don't have stickers on it yet, so beware. Okay, and I will tell you the materials. Yes. You need glue, a glue stick. You need a roller, inch roller. You need, what is this again? Cardstock. Cardstock, it looks pretty. There's a reason why you need cardstock, and I will tell you later. And you need stickers. And to make it quicker, we have a paper cutter, but you can also use scissors. Yes. So the reason why we have cardstock is if you use paper for this photo frame, the paper may flop. So make sure you use cardstock or something thick that will not fall over. Apparently I did not glue that good. Put that down. Oh, let's get started. So we're going to take our roller, and we are also going to take a pencil, pen, marker. Can you get that? And we're going to take our roller, and so we're going to put a mark at the 5.5 inch. So there we go, 5.5 mark. As you can see. I'll just zoom in to that where my finger is. Anyway, wait, what do I do? Oh, okay. Wrong way, silly willy pilly. What's a pilly? Pilly. You're like, what's a pilly? All right, so now we have. Never mind. So now we have our pieces of paper. Alright guys, so now we're going to take our trusty roller again, and we're going to put it at the bottom of our paper. We're going to make sure it is hot dog. Isn't it hot dog? Yes, hot dog way, everybody. Hot dog time. No, this is pink. Just kidding. So we're going to be at the 4, and then we're going to have to go to the 4.5. And I'm gonna put a mark there also. That way I know what I'm doing. And then I will do yours. I'm going to need our paper cutter or scissors, whatever you're using. Next. Well, I'm doing a man. Alright, let's cut. Slice. Slice again. We have 2 pieces. That's sticking out. I'm not using this. You're not going to need the other half of your paper. Okay. Do you need some help?
No, I think I got it.
I don't. Okay. You're doing that wrong. Stop. Does she not know what she's doing? Girl.
We're on camera, you know that.
Yeah, I know that. Right here. Let's see what I'm doing.
I get to cut mine.
Be careful. Oh, no. That way. There.
Okay, now hold it.
Now just, no. Now just slice and then back again. There we go. You're not going to use this piece. Like I said, useless. Gonna put this up.
So now we're going to measure it again.
What? Yes. What are you doing?
We're measuring.
Yeah, but that's not how you measure though. So this is 4.5 inches, and this is like 5.5 inches. So we're going to slice 1 inch slicing. So we're gonna go straight across 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. Got it? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you should have about 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, meaning 5 sections. 5 sections. Namaste. All right, paper cutter or scissors again. I'll do yours in a moment. All right, now it is time to go to the back of all your cardstock papers, and we're going to stick them on with our glue. So on the back, I'm just gonna put some glue here. I have purple glue so you can see it, like this, if I'm gonna put my 2 strips there. Then I put my 2 strips on top of that gluey-doo. So it should be like a big temple when you turn it over. All right, we have a U. So then you're going to take 1 strip, but first, on top of these other 2, you're going to put glue up here, and then you're going, oh no, this is hers. Then you are going to take this and put it down on top of your glue and press. We want it to stick. If it comes apart, just glue it again. Now it will be like this, and you will have an extra piece. Take people. You will have an extra piece. Do you know what you're doing?
I did it backwards.
She does not know what she is doing.
No, I did it backwards.
So now I have a golden frame. Golden.
That can't work.
Okay, so you will have this extra piece. Now, I will say that this could be a prop, or you could just throw it away. But to make it useful, this is going to be our prop. So you are going to
What is a prop?
A prop is what you use to put in a picture. Say I had a sign up that said happy birthday person. Happy person's name. Then that's a prop. So I'm going to take my cutter. You can take scissors, whatever you're going to use. And I'm just going to put this here and just make any type of size. And then after you do all your work and you are done with making your props and your pictures, guess what time it is? Sticker party time on your props. So we're gonna use these as signs. You can use a toothpick and what is it called? Oh, tape. You're gonna take the toothpick. Decorate. So we'll be right back.
I drew a mustache.
Hey guys, it is time for us to show you what we decorated and what we made. So the first one we're going to do is about boys. And I have this Bros Forever. Boys can be in it. And I have this little tuxedo with a bow tie.
I have this mustache.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, they are going to the ocean.
Mustache!
Are ladies. Okay, why is a mustache floating in the ocean?
I do not know. Let's go to the girls.
Yeah. Okay, so this says happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, sorry. Happy birthday, everyone. It's my birthday.
And this says love. I love you.
And this has a party it says party, and it got fireworks by the hat. So yeah.
This says star as stars and some hearts.
So here are the pictures we made. Check them out.
Do.
Well, that was the bomb, and thanks for joining us to art. We'll see you in reading! Yeah! Let's go reading!
Remember to check out Play, Explore, and Reading, all about selfies.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.